Okay, you can go ahead.
Mom, you ready? 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 Not perfect, ready? Okay, what does a rooster say? What does a cow say? What does a horsey say? What does a duck say? And what does a lion say? And what, no, on your bum. What does an alligator do? Chomp, chomp, chomp. And what does a froggy do? What does a frog do? What does a frog do? Ribbit, that's right. And what does a chicken do? Buck, buck. And what does a donkey do? Yeehaw.
What about a duck, Bomby? What does a duck say?
No.
No.
We already did duck, Mommy.
Oh, we did. I'm sorry.
What does the kitty cat say? Meow. What does Wuffy say? Way to go! Good job. Give me 5.
No, you missed
No, give me 5.
hippopotamus.
Oh, a hippopotamus. What does the hippopotamus say? Okay, one more rooster. What does a rooster say? No, we already did a rooster. We only do things once. We only do things once, and that's it.
Bomby, what does a rooster say?
No.
No.
We did it once already, Mommy. I think we're done.